So today in this video we are going to see the screens related to reporting. What are the kinds of reporting in SAP S/4 HANA? So if we see, there are different kinds of reports we can generate from Fiori app. So the first thing we can see is the manager reports. So there are several reports especially for managers that give a quick view of various accounts payable and accounts receivables key figures, which we can drill down to analyze potential problem areas. So starting from 1809 release of SAP S/4 HANA, it offered key metrics and reports for accounts receivable and accounts payable. So if we see here, it is an SAP live tile reporting. So these numbers will updated lively, means each and every second these numbers are getting updated, so the managers can analyze these reports and can take decisions instantly. This is one of the advantage with SAP S/4 HANA Fiori. And AR overview. So even accounts receivable overview has several reports and which display useful information and where we can drill down more into detail. If we see here in the AR overview, we can see AR aging analysis. So which customers are getting which customer invoices are getting are reached to the due date or exceeded the due date, and what is the today's day sales outstanding, and also these receivables can be breakdown by accounting clerk, company code, risk class or country. So with Fiori app there are many reports which we can generate as per the requirement. So receivables aging analysis, which is breakdown of amounts to be received by due date. Day sales outstanding indicates the average number of days that a company takes to collect revenue after a sale has been made. And AP overview, if we see in the screenshot, we can see it is payable aging, cash payment discount, posted invoices in current period, parked invoices, blocked invoices. So it gives an overview of accounts payable page. So the accounts payable overview page displays useful KPI reports and live tiles with important information on the front page. As always, you can drill into each report to get more detail, create printouts and perform further analysis. Highlights of the available reports include the payable aging analysis for amounts due and undue, which is a breakdown of the amounts to be paid by due date, days payable outstanding gives us the details of analyzing the average number of days a company takes to pay its suppliers. This is shown in two separate reports and different calculations. One is in the direct days payable outstanding. You can check the top 10 suppliers with the highest or lowest days payable outstanding. In the indirect days payable outstanding, you can check the days payable outstanding on the aggregate level for the last 12 months using rolling monthly averages for the accounts payable balance and purchases. So, and also one more thing, they are checking the cash discount. So, cash discount is utilization shows how well you are taking advantage of cash discounts by comparing actual discounts versus potential discounts. So, business partner balances. If we see here, there are also many typical analysis reports for business partner account balances and line items. You can configure report to report links to jump from balances of a period to, for example, to the line items that make up that balances. So all balance reports are in real time and read directly from the line item information, offering a summarized view that you can analyze via the same characteristics posted on a line item. There is no separate storage for balance amounts and a limited selection of reporting characteristics from pre-configured aggregation tables. So even if it has to run the balances report, directly it will get the data from the line item and it instantly displays the balances. So the customer and supplier line items reports offer additional functionality to filter based on the line item status, whether it is opened or cleared. You can select whether to include special general ledger transactions. An example output is shown in which open items and normal items are selected. From the report output, you can select which fields you want to view and save specific layouts and selection criteria items directly to perform reversals. Sends correspondence, set or remove dunning blocks, and block or unblock items for payment. So there are many functionalities, like we can include special general ledger accounts, so and also open items and normal items are selected. You can select which fields you want to view and save specific layouts and selection criteria items directly to perform reversals. You can send correspondence, set or remove dunning blocks, and block or unblock items for payment. You can also click on the account to go directly to the relevant master data details or click on the document number to open the full details of the line items. So from these reports, you can drill down to the last level of that particular item. So these are the few things related to reporting in SAP S/4HANA. This advantage is mainly developed through Fiori. So that is the advantage of Fiori. So now we get all the line item report, all the reports based on the line items. So now if we see the certification related questions, it is very small topic and we can just expect or we have very few questions from this reporting area. So just which KPIs can you find on accounts payable overview page? So we have seen day sales outstanding and cash discount, utilization and aging analysis. The correct answers are the ones that pertain to payables functions instead of receivables. So day sales outstanding is receivable. So we have to carefully read the question to which topic it is related to. So you want to track cash discounts to make sure you are taking advantage of all discounts offered. The other answer is the aging analysis. If the answer was specifically payables, aging, it would be a dead giveaway. There might be some instances like this in the exam as well, in which answer options are made a little more general without making them wrong or unfair. The two other options are receivables, key performance indicators. So KPI is nothing but key performance indicators. So you can be sure they are wrong. So B and C are the correct answers. So which reporting tools are available with SAP S/4HANA Embedded Analytics? So one is KPI modeling apps and other is query browser. So these are the few questions. These are the two questions which I have found related to the reporting. So if you have or if you know any more questions related to reporting, please update in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video.